In the first lesson of this course, you will learn how you can make changes in a sketch of Solidworks without entering into sketch mode. Normally, in order to make our changes in a sketch, we click on sketch and go to edit sketch command. And here we make changes that we want to make. This is normal practice that we do. But question is that is it possible to make dimensional or positional changes of a sketch without entering into sketch mode? Yes, it is possible. We can dynamically change the sketch dimensions or its position. In order to do that, just click on sketch and move your cursor on a dimension that you want to make a change. For example, we want to change this size. So just bring your cursor on here and click on that dimension. Then here are four things you can see. This is arrow, this is small circle, this is small circle, and this is small circle, and in a line of this circle, small circle, there is a big circle. When I bring my cursor to this big circle, you can see that cursor turn into plus sign. So just left click and hold left click button of mouse and drag. You can see how the position of sketch is going to change. Understand? Okay. Once we will repeat this again. Click on sketch, move cursor to a dimension do you want to make to change. I want to make a change in this dimensions. Click here. Click here. Now move your cursor to a big circle. My cursor change into a plus sign. Hold left mouse button and drag. You can see the dimension or size of this dimension is being changed dynamically. So in this way, we can change the size of a circle, size of a sketch without entering into sketch mode. So I recommend you should have a practice on this lesson again and again. Thank you and nice to meet you in next lecture.